Magandang umaga. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Brian, hello, is it raining again? Yes, po, raining. Always raining here. Hey, Brian, just wake up. How are you po? Thank you for the likes. You read some. I read some. You need some. Need pala. It's a need. I thought it's read. Hello. Hi, James Brown. Where are you from, Sir James Brown? Where are you from po? I'm from England. Okay. Thank you, Sir James. You always here on the line. Sorry. The sun, you need, yeah, need the sun. Oh my God. Tahir, hello, how are you? You're beautiful, thank you. I'm beautiful. Thanks. Hey, sleep. Just wake up. I'm just wake up. Camel stress, camel stress. Bedroom model. The beautiful wall. Welcome. Cheryl, good morning. Hi, Albie. Tahir Galerias. And Marias, The Matrix. Hi, Leandro. Batista Rodriguez. Saruto. Hi. Sir Don, good morning, Sir Don. My God. How are you doing pa? Good morning. Rain, go away, bring out the sun. Thank you sa nag-likes. Soroto, Soroto, Soroto. Soroto. Oh my God, it's raining. I love more and more. Hmm? I love more and more. Hi, Gandong Run. Hi, Gandong Run. Flory. Floral, Florian. Floral. Florian. Hi from Canada. I'm watching the movie, The Matrix. Okay. I love Matrix. Sono smelly. Hi. Hello, how are you? You working for me? Just wake up. Sono smelly. Hi, Sono smelly. Anong sa mata? Headaches. Percent. I can't read. I hear you are getting married. Congratulations. I am happy for you, my friend. Thank you, Sir Brian. Not yet. I hope so. I'm getting married. Hi, Robin. Gimana? Sana all would you marry me one day? Hmm? Thank you, Sir Brian. James Shogun. Hello, beautiful. How has your day been? My day is starting a beautiful day, I think. You are very really? My goodness. 47 from Canada. I'm waiting for you, okay? Are you married? Emerson. Jose Luis Espinosa. Hi. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Bicol province, Philippines. No single, ready to mingle. Hmm? Diba? Jose. No kid. I'm waiting for you. Why? Why no kids? You're from Philippines. Yes po, HD from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Ah, GD pala, GD. Sorry. You are so cute. Really? Am I cute? Luis Espinosa. Hi. We will rock you. Thank you po. 30, 35 people in the house. Sana all. Be right back, Cheryl. Okay. Yes po. Thank you for joining, Emerson. What do you do for a living? Here, um, farmer here. Ben is here in the province. Volunteer community service, something like that. Philippines, on a Hebel, huh? No, I'm from Philippines. I am Filipina. Philippines. Philippines. Where are you? Hello, host. Hi, boss. Where are you? Greetings from Holland. Hi, greetings from Holland. Mantra Kalil. Hi, Mantra Kalil. I'm from not yet married, but hoping someday getting married. Hoping. You're welcome. It's a pleasure. Nice to meet you, my future wife. We talk later. Oh my god. Future wife? I'm not single. I'm a recent. Not. I'm taken. I'm not available. Wait lang. Let's meet and marry soon. No.
Hello.
Bye.
Hi.
Ano bye?
Uh,
Nanaro na makulog mo bye.
uh,
Nana makulog mo. Ay, na makulog mo.
hello.
Nanan makulog mo.
Ito na ang TV.
Nanan makulog mo bye.
Wow.
Makaon ka?
Punta.
Okay, luto ako.
Ah. 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 Ah.
Ano bye? Na makulog mo bye.
Hello. Hello.
Makulog ang kamot mo. Sige.
Hey.
Ipan. Isugang si Kimo dito ho, sa taas. Tay, isugang si Kimo sa taas. Dito sa taas, kaya din ang si Kimo sa baba. Iswag ko. Tay. Masakatan si Kimo sa taas. Ano pa? Oh, papa. May tao nito ko. Sakat ko ikaw dun mo. Sige mo. Sakat ko. Sige mo. Dito pa rin. Dito ko. Sige dito. Taas. Ito ang mo sa dada. Da. ay tangat lang ikaw na sige mo ko parang mga taong kasintahan. Yan, kaya iyangat ko ang sige yan sa ano. Tapos ano naman. Buto pa hindi para ayusin ang higda mo.
Agaw! Uy! Asus!
Ano pa kang kamot mo?
Asus! Aduh!
Kargaw na lang ang kulit ko. Kaya ang kasi. Makaang ka na? Magkano kayo? Magkaon ka? Magkaon. Magkaon ka na. Magkaon ka na. Hindi, ito ka. Kaya mo. Makulog mo yun diha. Makulog. Makamot. Kamakuha ko siya. Kaya, nanay ko tubig. Tubig. If I could take time.
Hey! Let's go.
Kaya ka na lang. Ako na lang. Ito ko na ito. Ayan pa tubig. Baranggahan ka. Karo mo yan. Okay. Tubig. Ito na. Tubig tayo. Tubig. Tubig pa. Gusto mo paluto? Papa pa? Papa.
Ano?
Hmm. Makulog na yan, diya. Makulog. Inom na tubig pa yan. Inom na yung kape. Tubig. Inom tubig. Tubig.
No.
Nalang ko makulog mo pa eh. Makulog ang kamot mo din diha. Hindi makulog oh. Makulogon. Yadi lang na to oh, makulog. Ang sige, makulog ang sige. Makulog pa ang sige mo. Ang kamot lang ang makulog. Ano daw ang
No.
kaya naman sabi si Papa yung nagpasara sa panahon. Ayan. Sabay ne? Sabay? Sabay niyo dalawa?
Hey.
O, paino. Kaya para ini sa kulog sa kanak. Para ini sa kulog sa kanak. Nadi pa na sa'yo. Nadi pa na sa'yo. Sa'yo. Sa'yo pa. Kulogin pa.
ah, 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 ah,
Wait lang. Sorry. Good morning, Sir Fred. Crossledge. Hi, I will go now. God bless. Thank you, Sir Mike and Benos. Thank you po. I have more respect now for you than ever. Many don't like that I spend years taking care of my bedridden wife before she passed. Hi, Sir Mike. And she's my father. So we're responsible to take care of her. Thank you po, Mike and Venus. Thank you for joining po. I will go now. God bless you. Thank you, Mike and Venus. I have nothing but prayers and love for you, my friend. I know. Thank you po. Sorry, my friend. I know you are busy now. Just here showing love and support. Thank you so much, Mike and Venus. Oh my. Vegetable. Thank you po. Please accept my apology. It's okay. Emerson. I thought you were single, but it's okay. It's alright. I'm fine, Robert Edwards. I have one kids. Rice. I cook rice, brown rice for my father. My name is Sheryl. Hi, Jose Luis. Caslach. Kenneth Cousin. Hello. Leonard Johnson. Good morning, Sir Fred. I back red. Hello, hello, Emerald. Hi, Biglon. Thank you, Biglon. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Biglon. Good morning. I hope you sleep well. I sleep well. Hi, Jambi. Good morning po. Good morning, sweetie. How are you doing today? I'm doing good, okay? Busy. Just busy.
agawan na din niya, kami po doon. Madali na liwat. Open me. Mga nalat ako, abot dito magsiligaw. Oo. You.
Thank you po. I guess he made an enemy somewhere big. Huh? Them? Biglan, I will tell Cheryl about him. Make sure he gets black here, no problem. Huh? Hello, Ballyman. From Mike. Hey, Mike. Hey, Big. Cheryl, I don't know if I told you or not, but have an impostor of Biglon. 1, 2, 3 comes on your channel. Please hide them. Yes, I. He commented. He commented. He. That's why I reply him because he's using your name, same name, Biglon. I told him why you need to be a Biglon like you. I don't like I don't like that. He commented and I replied because I think he's an impostor. That's why. He's not you. I told him, just be you. You need to be like others. Just be yourself. Because Biglon is supportive one. Many lots of channel like Biglon. That's why. You don't need to be you. Just be yourself. Just be her themselves. Hello, Frontline. Why the being imposter big starting trouble? Yeah, Biglon have an impostor. Fred, what's new on the mountain? I saw I missed Kiki was on your live. Damn, I missed the action. Yeah, yesterday. He's on the live. She's on the live, Sir Fred. Exactly, Fred. They're trying to start trouble as me, yeah. You're trying to start trouble with you, Biglon. Oh my god. As in. He put on the profile that's just a big, but we know it's not you. We know not you. It's just an impostor. And trying to get moderator everywhere as me. No, I'm not ano. I'm not I'm not give them. Because you as my moderator, so if anyone using your same name, so that's not you. No worries, we hide from channel Dicam, yeah. From Sir Fred. Thanks, Fred from Biglan. Is he mad here or you don't know? Only you, Biglan, I using you. If, no, I'm not giving the mod for another Biglan. That's it. I don't even know. Biglan, if me or Fred sees him, we will black him, no worries. Yeah. I'm sure he has tricked a few people into giving him moderator on some channel as me, and they probably don't even know it's not me, yes. Well, if he asks for mod, we know it's not you because I don't think I've ever seen you ask for mod, yeah. Biglan is not asking for mod, yeah. He's not asking for mod, Biglan, before. Just like me, I've never asked and never I will, yes. Them. Biglan, I will tell Cheryl about him to make sure he gets black hair, no problem. Yes, but yes, Biglan, we will black if anyone copying you. That's it. Because you only want Biglan. I guess you made an enemy something somewhere. Yes. Yes. Handa. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not the first time, Fred. Huh? It's not the first time. Pera? May ano dide, ikaw, ano ka man ha, abusado ka man ha.
Thanks.
Hello, Mrs. Roller. So Fred, I was here when you were taking care of your dad, Cheryl. Ah, thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you po. So you had hide him, Cheryl. Hide him. If anyone copying ano, a big loan, I need to block them. Good morning there in the Philippines, Cheryl, sister. Hi, Sir Pat. Good morning, brother Fred. Good to see you from Sir Pat. Yes, he is telling some people I'm a big lon, and I talk about Filipinas behind our back. Oh my God, big lon, we know you by now. Thank you, Golden. Good morning, Golden. Hey, brother Pat from Mike. Don't worry, big everyone who knows you support, not talk shit. Yeah, yeah, we know, big lon. You are the very supportive friends here on YouTube. Hey, Pat from Sir Pat. I I told you about this, Biglan. I told you before this that you having an impostor, but maybe you leave when you give likes and the comments, because you are everywhere, you're supportive everywhere. So good to see you, everyone. Same to you, Sir Pat. So Fred Kiki on the in love with you now, visiting your live stream. That's a good looking dog on your profile from Big Lawn. Yes, it's Mike. Hey, yes, Mike, it was fun. Big Lawn, me or the pit bull? Hi, Golden. Dog big? You mean the dog? Good looking, not Mike, right? Thank you pa. Don't wanna let her go. Paghanon man niya. Gab. Gabriel. May man ako sinano, kopi ko blanca. Tapos ito hugasan mo ito, sabutan mo tubig na mainit. Ay, no you can't, Mike. I have no comments on that. Damn, even bullied on Sheryl channel, you can't win. Ah, again. What is it hurt me so? Maybe we'll never come back someday. Okay guys, going to go check on others. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you, Biglon. God bless. Thank you for dropping by here. Take care, bag. Mike, Joycey Boys versus New Yorkers. Joycey always loses. May gulay. Salamat, Kuya Gab. Opo. It's true, Cheryl. Sir Lucas. Hi po. True. Mike, Joycey Boys versus New Yorkers. Versus New Yorkers. Joycey always loses. Don't worry, don't worry, Joycey Boys. I'm always yours. Char. Cheryl Fred's trying to get his wives to bully me now. Don't wanna let her go. Hi, how are you doing from London, England? Hi, Wayne Walden from London, England. Hello po. Hello. I will get her to Mike. My gulay. Maybe I hope to find anyways. Only the like, and thank you 16 million. Rafaels. Fred, maybe start bowling pattern and scam him for bear. Give me a break. Huh? Ano kan tita? Akara tita mo sina. Mike no. Aray ko. Pat's broke. Huh? Pat's broke. Domingo Diaz. Jose. Hi, Jose. Lol. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Because love is love. Six people. Hi, Pat from Sir Fred. Yes, it could be my friend. No worries. When I come to Philippines, I give you brother Fred gift from me. No worries, brother. When you go here in the Philippines, Sir Pat. Why, thank you, Pat. Is she beautiful? Gift. Working on it. Pat sent friend gift now. He's running low on bear. Be April or me. Wow. Good to see you here, Sir Pat, in the Philippines. Good morning, my friend. Have an awesome day ahead. Hi, good morning, Garner Miller. Garner J. Miller. That's what you're for, Mike. That's what you're for, Mike. Mike will keep me stuck. When I'm in Philippines vacation, I share some beer with brother Fred. Wow, lucky Sir Fred. No worries on that. Wow, that's great. Lucky. Lucky. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Pero mainit. Sino nag-init today?
Dili parit-parit yun.
Nag-init na dun sa ato. Sino?
Hey!
Ian and I will get a Pat drunk. Fred, you're lucky. Cheryl is well worth it. More beer will be coming soon. Yes. More beer. Good morning po. Hi, Paris. Perkles Mazda. Hi, Jose. Jose. Ew. Marcelo. Nye. Mike, don't make sure the reason it's worth it. You just love being bullied. Cheryl, how does Marcelo know if shame? Sir Fred. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Who's he? Who's Marcelo? I don't know him. My goodness. Mm. Hey guys. Hey Dre. Kuya. Jollibee. I'm only translating it. Ah. Hey brothers. My God. Hi Sir James Round. Hello. Only heaven. Yokito. Thank you, Sir James Round. Hello, Kuya Dre. Jollibee. How's your jowa, Kuya? Is still fighting? We talked Jollibee. She was crying, saying sorry about thing. Um, I'm happy. I'm happy for you, Kuya. Oh my God. Need to come back. Need to come back each other because for 2 years I've it's the love. Just tampo. Yeah. Need to come back each other po, kuya. Your jowa is just tampo, not ano, not get mad. Just tampo. Resme Wolander. Yeah. Hi po. Just stop to support. Give a thumbs. Ah, need to go now later, guys. Bye, Jollibee. Huh? Just stop support. Give a thumbs. Need to go na. Okay. Thank you, Kuya Dre. Thank you so much. Take care, Kuya. Seryoso si ano si Kuya Dre. Kuya Dre, serious na. Hi, SRDG. Hello, greetings from Mexico. Hi, Christian Ramirez from Mexico. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Tico J from Surpat. Hospita, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Living alone. Nice. Okay. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven. 21. I'm 41. Oh my god. May gulay. I'm 41 years old, sir. You look same people, Indonesia. I think you're from Indonesia. No, I'm from Philippines. I'm a Filipina. Yes po, I'm Filipina. Bekar Kamis. Hi. This is not a dating site, guys. Thank you po. You're you're not 41, you're 21. How I wish I'm 21 years old. Yeah, Sir Fred. Welcome. Thank you po, Sir Fred. Why you love me, Andy? His dating site, I match Mike and Sheryl. Thank you po, Sir Pat. Suck it up, Buttercup. Don't asking Andy. Thank you po, Sir Pat. Here comes the damn trolls. Get ready, Pat. Oh my. Yeah, Pat Mike, the troll is here. Hi, David. Bird. What is bigger than huh? It wasn't as big as Pat. Better speak Paul next time, Buttercup, David. Thank you po. My God. She been hiding from you, Bird. Good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Sir Derek. Have a nice day po. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Fred. Why he asking? We all see the thumb. Ah, 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 ah. My God. Balutin mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matapan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Wow, three sharpshooter snipers today. Yes. By trolls. Hi, Raul Antolinus. Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Kayang maging bituing walang sharp shooters mean good aim, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Minstrels don't have a chance. Thank you, my ano. Thank you po. Thank you, my friends here. Thank you, ano ito ka? I don't know how to say it in English. Sorry po. Thank you for protecting my channel, I mean. they have a small chance with that because his monster gets in way sometimes. Si Sir Nicholas sa paniguan. Shamchita Manjil. Hi from London. Hi from London. Hi Ziam Chita. So Fred, how's your new secret girlfriend Kiki? No, not no, not lurking anymore. Not lurking anymore. Not happy, not happening, Fred from Serpent. How I'm fine, Shamchita. I'm fine. Magkarigas ka. Maginit ka tubig.
Inom mo. Inom.
If she don't like, she has boring content. Aray ko. Yes, no topic. Boring content, no topic. Oh my gulay. Sir Fred, she said, Sir Fred, she said to you, you are ugly old man. Oh, she's a beautiful. She thinks she's a beautiful. To say that, and she loves the new filter she is using. Mm-mm. Hi, Sir Donnie. Have a nice day po. No one can tell what she looks like. Yeah. Fred, you're finally getting to her. Now she comes on your stream to call you names. Soon she will be sent to that house. Oh my gulay. She has said me things, Shell. That's why we laugh. Ah, yeah. I think, ano, oh my God. Never stop fighting, both of you, Sir Fred. I greet here on your channel. I thought, ano, hi, and say hi to our family. But suddenly, she commented, what's she saying to you? My goodness, oh my God. She says we're ruining her reputation and we're trying to figure what reputation. What ruining the reputation? Maybe need to stop fighting each other na, Sir Fred. Need to forgive each other na, something like that. Forgive each other. We are family. Hey now, Sheryl. Na, need to forgive each other na. KK. Hi, Ma'am K. Kimchi. We are family. Because she got ruined. I think we need to forget each other na. Forgive each other na. Juan. In my channel, we are family, that's all. Yeah. Yes po. Raining there? Yes po, raining. I need to end the live po, Sir Fred. Thank you, Sir Pat. Mike, I need to end the live. Friends here on YouTube. Sir Donnie, thank you po. What else? Sir Derek, thank you for joining. Kuya, Jollibee, Kuya J. Oh my God, who's James Brown? Golden, thank you. Who's Big Lawn? My Big Lawn. Sir Pat, thank you for joining po. Alas, John B. Sir Jane Bolton. Mike and Venus, thank you po. Oh my God. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for Thank you for joining po. Bye-bye. Need to end the live na. She needs to end so she can call hubby. Yes. I will call my hubby no. Lovey-dovey no. Bye-bye po. Thank you so much.